Ew.
Okay, no need to panic. I got this. Choice between hand soap or hand sanitizer. The hand soap. It's bubbly, smells pretty nice, especially that apricot cucumber scent. Actually, it smells pretty weird, but a good weird. However, washing with soap does take kinda long, and then you have to dry your hands off. Lame. The hand sanitizer, on the other hand, pun intended, it's way faster, but it dries out your skin. What should I choose?
Parquet!
Knowing the difference between hand soap and hand sanitizer isn't about which kills more bacteria. They're both effective antibacterial agents. The difference really comes down to which is a better surfactant. Surfactants are compounds that decrease surface tension. In this case, the surfactant is disrupting the attraction of liquid and solid molecules on a surface, which is your hand. Soap is an excellent surfactant because it disrupts this attraction by forming spherical shells of soap around the molecules called micelles. If my terrible 2D drawing doesn't get the message across, these micelles are actual 3D spherical structures. Soap is able to form these micelles due to its molecular properties. A soap molecule has two components, a fatty acid chain which is hydrophobic and a head group which is positively or negatively charged, making it hydrophilic. When exposed to a nonpolar substance, say oil on a dinner plate, the hydrophobic end becomes attracted to the oil and the hydrophilic end faces toward the water. The micelles encapture the oil molecules and are then washed away down the drain. This is the exact same way soap removes bacteria from your skin. The soap first kills the bacteria by lysing it open. This destroys the structure of the membrane, causing release of membrane lipids and proteins all over your skin. The soap then forms micelles around these components of bacteria and the micelles get washed away. Hand sanitizer, on the other hand, is a terrible surfactant. It's just rubbing alcohol and glycerol, which forms this really effective antibacterial goo. That's all well and good, but how does this pasty goo clean your hands? Well, it doesn't. Hand sanitizer kills bacteria by lysing open the bacterial membrane. This spills out bacterial components, and now you have dead bacteria smeared all over your hand as well as dead skin cells and dirt. Because, well, you're smearing dead bacteria and dead skin cells all over your hand. Duh. And even if you were to rinse your hands after using the hand sanitizer, the alcohol denatures the bacterial proteins, making them even more sticky and clumped into your skin. So the water does very little to remove it. This is why we don't use alcohol to wash dishes. Sure, it would kill the bacteria and sterilize the plates, but then you'd have this nasty layer of crusty proteins and lipids on your dishes. In summary, soap kills bacteria in the same way that alcohol does. The soap, however, actually removes and cleans the dead bacteria by capturing the components in micelles. The alcohol, though an antiseptic, just smears the dead bacteria and proteins on your skin.
So soap it is. Good to know. Parquet!
If you noticed my bad acting, you probably noticed the shirt I was wearing. You can get one for yourself, minus the bad acting, at my merch shop. The link's in the description below. I'd also like to take a second to thank my very generous patrons who help support this and future videos. As always, thanks for watching and stay tuned.